Kala ko ba proud?
Hi guys!
Kala ko ba proud sa mukha ko lang?
So ngayon, nandito kami sa
Somewhere.
Good Days.
Oh, fuck.
Nakatapos lang namin kumain and you know, rate mo
Walang
from
food.
1 to 10.
10.
10 out of 10.
Because
Yeah.
the serving was good.
Yeah.
It's giving.
The serving was, you know, a lot.
It's giving very busog.
Yeah. It's giving your...
But for a person like me who doesn't really have that much of an appetite for such big servings, I think it's a no for you. But the taste is really good though.
Yeah. But, you know, it's very affordable and you merong take out, ganon. Take out.
Yes, you can take it out.
Take it out. You can take it out. Sa dami ng serving niya, bakla, may pa-take out. Tapos galing kami ng mini-mart. Eh, ayan. Doon kami chupais. Kasi
Nagbili kami ng ice
Yeah.
because despite of how
of the pandemic.
cold, despite of how cold the weather is here,
Yeah.
we still wanted to like drink cold drinks.
So look at us.
We're bare-faced
We're face pala kami makeup.
because we're finding ourselves eh.
Yeah. Sa mga nagsasabi dyan na hindi kami maganda na walang makeup. O ayan. Mukhang totoo nga since
Serve na yung face card.
face card. Ay! At taray! Tarosh! Tatawid tayo
We're
ngayon.
gonna cross the street.
The Burnham Park.
Oh my gosh. It's raining really hard. And the phone's getting really wet. But
Wet?
we like it wet.
Ay!
I like it wet. And then we're
Ayan!
gonna- and then
Tignan nyo.
We're gonna enter it.
Yeah. So, bye-bye!